Big kiss, a big kiss also, please. Tutu, can you please show me your building that you made yesterday? So you made this, right?
Yeah.
And could you please tell me what it is?
A rainforest.
This is a rainforest. Okay, can you show me what else lives in the rainforest? And what are those things?
A goat and a polar bear and a jaguar and tigers and a hippo and a goat and a lion and a koala bear, a panda bear.
What are they doing there?
And a sheep and another goat. They're in the cave there.
Yeah. Did you originally want them all to be in one cave, or you thought about putting them in different caves?
I wanted them to be in only one cave.
Why?
Because we thought that would be nice and special.
Nice and special?
Yeah.
Okay.
What about the trees? Does your rainforest have trees?
Yeah.
Where are the trees?
Mommy.
Look at Mooney, she's showing me the trees there.
Mommy.
Tutu, where are the trees?
Here, and here, and here, and here.
Sometime when you're older, I'll look back and say, I love you, and Mooney, you have helped me on my way.
Thanks for showing me your rainforest, TV9.
Amuna, 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 Amuna.